하얀 눈이 덮인 깊은 산속. 한 남자가 나무를 베려던 바로 그때 갑자기 개가 짖기 시작합니다. 남자는 개가 짖는 방향으로 향하는데요. 그곳엔 수상한 물건과 알 수 없는 문구들이 있었죠. 잠시 뒤 현장에 도착한 형사 브레슬린.
Right this way.
수상한 물건으로 향하는데요. 이내 뚜껑을 열어보는데 충격적이게도 그 안에는 사람의 치아가 놓여 있었습니다.
We thought we should call you because of your background in the oral
forensic odontology.
그렇게 브레슬리는 상사에게 사건을 보고하는데요.
The victim is male, early to mid 30s, moderate smoker, less moderate drinker. See this right here? That is lateral striated trauma. That's where the pliers slipped. The victim, he was struggling during the extraction.
브레슬리는 피해자가 아직 살아있을 거라고 확신했죠.
He could still be alive?
Yeah. Be on a liquid diet.
다음날 아이들 소리에 잠이 깬 브레슬린. 출근 준비를 하며 집안을 둘러보는데요.
Hi there. How long has this been here?
Tuesday.
하지만 아들 알렉스와는 어딘가 어색한 분위기였죠. 알고 보니 브레슬리는 아내 캐런을 잃은 뒤 일에만 매달리며 아이들을 제대로 챙기지 못했습니다.
How the kids holding up?
Fine.
Imagine it's been a tough week for them. Karen's birthday and all.
집에 돌아왔지만 아이들은 먼저 잠들어 있었죠.
What do you want from me, Mexico?
며칠 뒤 아이들과 오랜만에 시간을 보내던 브레슬린.
What is my strength that I should hope? Is my strength the strength of stones, or is my flesh of brass? Wherefore then hast thou brought me forth out of the womb? Oh, that I had given up the ghost, and no eye had seen me.
하지만 그마저도 오래 허락되진 않았습니다.
I should have been carried from the womb.
결국 아이들만 남겨둔 채 급히 현장으로 향하죠.
A land of darkness, as darkness itself, and to the shadow of death. Without any order, and where light is as darkness.
현장은 처참한 모습이었는데요.
Jesus Christ.
그리고 현장에는 지난번과 같은 문구가 남겨져 있었습니다.
Is that blood?
No, it's paint.
She's been dead about 12 hours. Don't know how long she was hanging up there alive.
심지어 누군가 있었던 흔적이 발견됐죠.
Looks like they stood right here and watched.
That's a tripod. They videoed the entire thing.
피해자에게는 3명의 아이가 있었는데요.
Who found her?
Your daughter.
Which one?
가장 먼저 피해자를 발견한 건 입양한 맏딸 크리스틴이었습니다.
The oldest one. She's adopted.
아이들과 아빠는 사이가 좋아 보였죠.
Where are they?
Daddy!
It's gonna be all right.
그런데 피해자의 몸에서는 이상한 점이 발견됐는데요.
You need to double check that before we do anything with it.
What's up?
They took something.
They took what?
임신 중이던 피해자의 태아가 감쪽같이 사라져 있었죠.
They took something from inside of her. She was pregnant.
잠시 후 브레슬린을 찾아온 크리스틴.
Detective, I didn't mean to interrupt you.
Anything that I can do for you?
크리스틴은 브레슬린에게 범인을 꼭 찾아달라고 부탁하는데요.
Are you going to catch the person that did this?
I'm going to try.
그러자 브레슬린은 언제든 연락하라며 자신의 명함을 건네줍니다.
If you need anything, if you need to talk, or you have any questions, call that number. Anything at all.
Thank you.
그 후 브레슬린은 아들을 데리러 학교로 향하는데요. 알렉스는 아빠에게 함께 경기를 보러 가자고 제안합니다.
Do you maybe want to go to the game tonight?
What game is this?
The Red Wings. If you can't go, if you got work or something.
No. Let's go.
들뜬 알렉스는 동생 션과 함께 외출 준비를 시작하는데요.
Guess who's in town tonight? The Red Wings. We're gonna go to the game.
Yes! Dad, look!
하지만 그때 브레슬린에게 한 통의 전화가 걸려옵니다.
You guys look like twins. Yeah.
Brez, it's Stingray. They found another dead body.
브레슬린은 아이들과의 약속을 뒤로 한 채 현장으로 향했죠.
We need you down here right now.
I'll be right there.
Steven Silva, 33, single, teaches the second grade.
현장에는 이전 사건과 똑같은 수법이 사용됐는데요.
Is that paint again? What'd you find out about these rigs?
Well, these rigs aren't cheap. Heavy-duty fishing hooks, steel reinforced lines. Suspension is a subculture based on ancient rituals found in several religions. It's the next step of evolution from tattoos and piercings.
Right? That's where we start. Pay a visit to every tattoo parlor in this city.
그런데 그때 옷장에서 또 다른 피해자가 발견됩니다.
Get the paramedics up here.
이후 범인의 흔적을 찾기 위해 CCTV를 확인하는 브레슬린.
He's a good tenant.
He keeps the place like that, will you?
그 순간 브레슬린의 눈에 수상한 장면이 포착됩니다.
Oh, what happened? What happened to the picture? Hold on. What time was that?
4:00 a.m. exactly.
Okay, all right. What time was that?
7:00 a.m. exactly.
수상한 장면이 포착된 시각은 피해자가 숨진 시점과 거의 겹쳤죠.
What time of death do you have on Silva?
Estimated time of death between 5 and 6.
브레슬린은 곧바로 문신업소를 찾아가는데요.
Hi there. Can I help you?
Looking for something.
Suspension? Yeah, we do that.
Hey, Banksy!
What's up? Do you know who made this?
Yeah, I did.
이에 브레슬린은 사장에게 몇 개를 제작했는지 확인하죠.
And when was that?
Month and a half ago. Faxed me the schematics for my Kinkos.
How many did you make?
4.
잠시 뒤 그는 스팅레이에게 옷장 속 여자에 대한 이야기를 듣는데요.
You made 4 rigs.
Oh, shit, so there's 2 more.
What'd you find out about the girl in the closet?
Well, her name's Whitney Jacobs. She's pretty dehydrated. She's still in and out of consciousness. They drugged her up pretty bad. What I found most interesting about her while checking her out was her recent divorced ex-husband, Garrison Jacobs. They share custody of 2 kids currently spending the weekend with the grandparents.
그렇게 브레슬린은 게리슨의 행방을 찾기로 하죠.
And Garrison Jacobs is currently
Unaccounted for.
Let's find him.
그날 오후 사건을 정리하던 브레슬린. 그때 션이 다가오는데요.
Come and see.
Hey, you should be looking at those.
Come and see what?
I don't know.
바로 그때 브레슬린의 눈에 무언가 들어옵니다. 그 책에는 범인이 남긴 것과 같은 문구가 적혀 있었죠. 그는 아내 캐런의 물건에서 성경책을 찾았고 성경책에서 사건 현장에 남겨진 문구와 일치하는 요한계시록 6장의 구절을 찾게 됩니다.
Revelation 6.
You've got to be kidding.
그렇게 상사에게 지금까지의 수사 내용을 보고하죠.
It was ceremonial. The serving tray, the teeth, they're announcing themselves. They want us to know that they're here.
Who?
Revelation 6. And I saw and behold a white horse, and he that sat on him. And when he had opened the second seal, I heard the second beast say, Come and see. And there went out another horse that was red. Power was given to him to take peace from the earth, and there was given unto him a giant's sword. And when he had opened the third seal, I heard the third beast say, Come and see. And I beheld a black horse, and he that sat on it had a pair of balances in his hand. The fourth is the pale horse. And his name that sat on him was Death, and hell followed with him. It's the 4 horsemen of the apocalypse.
브레슬린은 사건의 진실을 알아보기 위해 신부를 찾아갑니다.
The book of Revelation is the vision of the Apostle John, a vision of the end times as revealed to him by Jesus. The horsemen are the first 4 of 7 prophetic elements of the apocalypse.
백마를 탄 기사가 4명의 기사 중 우두머리라는 사실을 알게 되죠.
The rider of the white horse is the leader. Some believe that he is the Antichrist. Others think he is Jesus Christ himself.
신부는 브레슬린에게 의미심장한 충고를 건네는데요.
These people chose the horseman as their model for a reason. If they truly understand the symbolism of the horseman, and it sounds like they do, you should expect things to get much worse.
잠시 뒤 브레슬린은 동료들과 사건을 분석하기 시작합니다.
We're looking for a 4-person team. Their intent is to produce 2 more victims. I intend to stop them.
브레슬린은 4번째 용의자를 가장 유력한 인물로 지목하는데요.
The 4th suspect is the one that we should be the most worried about. He's the ringleader. We find him, and this thing ends.
하지만 그 무렵 또 다른 사건이 발생합니다.
Breslin.
Hey, Brez, we got another dead body at the Bell Hotel.
사건 현장에서 실종됐던 게리슨을 발견하게 되죠.
Hello, Garrison.
또한 그는 범인에 대한 단서를 듣게 되는데요.
Remember when I told you about Spitz's puncture wound and the chances of it being intentional?
You said it was impossible.
I take it back.
What's the scene?
Almost to the millimeter. Now we're looking for a medical savant. It is all the same.
다음 날 알렉스는 브레슬린을 타박하지만
Sean told me that he helped you today. He was really excited.
Yeah.
But maybe next time you shouldn't be showing a 7-year-old photographs of a murder scene.
브레슬린은 알렉스에게 고마움을 전하죠.
Hey, Alex. Thanks for taking such good care of Sean. You've been really great with him.
그날 밤 학교로 호출된 브레슬린.
Alex has so much potential, which is why it's so frustrating.
그는 알렉스가 학교에 제대로 나오지 않고 있다는 사실을 알게 됩니다.
Well, he does great when he's here. That's just not very often.
Kind of my fault. I don't really get to spend as much time with him as I would like.
선생님은 브레슬린에게 알렉스도 나름대로 노력하고 있다고 전하죠.
On the other hand, if I can be frank, I think it's a good sign that Alex is trying at all. It's not often the case with children who've lost a parent.
집에 돌아온 브레슬린은 알렉스에게 학교에 데려다 주겠다고 말하는데요.
Hey, I was thinking maybe Sean and I can take you to school tomorrow, you know? Make sure you actually go.
That's good.
Good night.
하지만 다음날 아침 집에는 알렉스만 남아 있었죠. 한편 브레슬린은 크리스틴을 만나던 중이었는데요.
Thank you for seeing me this morning. Do you have any kids?
I have 2 sons.
크리스틴은 어린 시절 입양된 사연을 들려주죠.
They thought my mom was infertile. They were going to pick a baby, but then my mom found out about the orphanages. I came here to the States. They were my parents, and I was their daughter. The next year, Teresa was born. Doctor said it was a miracle. Why do people do the things they do?
그리고 크리스틴은 브레슬린에게 사과를 건네는데요.
I'm so sorry.
What do you have to be sorry about?
하지만 그녀의 사과에는 다른 의미가 숨겨져 있었죠.
Sorry.
I didn't know this was inside her.
그렇게 브레슬린은 충격과 혼란에 빠지게 됩니다.
Why do people do the things they do? I didn't know.
브레슬린은 취조실에서 크리스틴과 다시 마주하는데요.
What do you think of me? You thought I was just a sweet girl who had been wronged by the world. What do you think now?
I still think that.
The moment I met you, I knew we would have a special relationship.
So why your mother?
Because I hate my father.
브레슬린은 자신에게 자수한 이유를 묻죠.
Why'd you turn yourself into me?
I was craving some good conversation.
You're not death.
Do you know the difference between death and what did I do? Death is what happens at the end. War is everything else.
What is everything else?
크리스틴은 브레슬린에게 의미를 알 수 없는 말을 남기는데요.
You mean you haven't found them yet?
잠시 뒤 크리스틴의 집을 수색하는 브레슬린.
Books, trophies, creepy-ass clown dolls, some clothes, cartoons.
그런데 그때 크리스틴과는 어울리지 않는 물건을 발견하는데
Cartoons. She's a little old for cartoons.
그 안에는 첫 번째와 두 번째 희생자의 이름이 적혀 있었죠.
Garrison Jacobs.
Marion Spitz.
두 사람은 곧바로 CD의 내용을 확인해 보는데요.
Why are you doing this? What does it feel like? Does it feel like you are witless? You should feel like you don't exist. Do you feel expendable yet?
CD에는 양 부모에게 받은 상처와 원망이 담겨져 있었죠.
Now you feel like I do. I worked for the last 10 years of my life, fighting against the things he does, and the way you forget me. Now you know.
그렇게 성경책 안에서 크리스틴이 전하려 했던 메시지를 발견하는데 그런데 그때 브레슬린을 덮친 사람은 바로 크리스틴의 양아버지였습니다.
I didn't know you guys were here. I thought you were one of them.
I know what you did. Did you come here tonight looking for these?
그는 자신의 흔적을 없애기 위해 증거를 수거하러 온 거였죠.
She's getting under your skin, detective. Manipulating you to believe whatever she wants you to believe, detective.
Mr. Spitz is going to jail.
Let me tell you something. She's a monster.
크리스틴을 찾아간 브레슬린은 계시록에 대해 묻는데요.
There's going to be more, isn't there?
3 people does not make an apocalypse.
How many more, Kristen?
브레슬린의 예상대로 범인은 모두 4명이었죠.
4 horsemen, 4 offerings. No more. You're not going to find them.
그날 저녁 알렉스는 캐런의 생일을 챙기는데
You forgot?
No, I didn't forget. I would never forget that. Alex, we can't keep doing this every year.
하지만 결국 브레슬린과 언성을 높이게 됩니다.
Just because I don't show it doesn't mean I don't miss her.
That case you were working on when Mom was dying? Was it worth it?
다음날 게리슨의 부검 결과가 나왔고
We got this from Garrison Jacobs' stomach. I think they made him eat it.
브레슬리는 칩의 흔적을 쫓는데요.
The computer that this chip came out of, I need to know where it is. Can you trace it?
We can geolocate all the way down to a street address.
브레슬리는 마침내 컴퓨터가 있는 곳을 찾아내는데
Get out of the way!
그곳에는 수상한 인물이 있었습니다. 그러나 끝내 놓치고 말았고 심지어 현장마저 불타오르는데요. 잠시 후 다행히 결정적인 단서를 확보합니다.
Well, we got lucky about one thing.
Burns at 4,000 degrees. It's pretty smart, but the magnesium didn't catch in this one.
I saw a webpage on this monitor. We are the nothing. Would you be able to find it?
Give me some time.
한편 누군가를 기다리고 있는 코리. 잠시 뒤 모습을 드러낸 사람은 바로 형 테일러였죠.
What do you want? I need Dad support me though. I don't understand why you can't.
테일러는 코리에게 거친 말을 쏟아내는데요.
Mom and Dad don't understand this. They don't understand why you're doing this. I don't understand it. It doesn't even affect them or you.
It doesn't fucking affect us. Having to suffer the indignity of people talking shit about your own blood and knowing that they are right.
결국 코리는 서운함에 참았던 눈물을 터뜨리고 맙니다.
You do what the you doing? Stop crying. Knock this shit off, right? Be a fucking man.
집으로 돌아가려던 그때
Alright.
한 남자가 코리를 불러세우는데
Excuse me.
그 남자의 정체는 강도였죠.
Everything in your pockets.
강도와 테일러가 동시에 쓰러지고 맙니다. 잠시 후 현장에 도착한 브레슬린.
Home Rundle 35, 7 priors, breaking and entering, petty theft, assault with intent to rob, amateur shit across the board.
다행히 강도는 간신히 목숨을 부지하고 있었죠.
He told me not to worry because he purposely avoided hitting my organs.
You see his face? You're our best artist on this. I want this done fast, as in right now.
강도의 증언으로 코리가 범인이라는 사실을 알게 되었는데요.
Hi, this is Lee Shoemaker.
I'm a registered nurse at the University Hospital.
I know Corey.
Thank you.
같은 시각 테일러는 낯선 장소에서 정신을 차립니다.
Jesus Christ! Get the fuck out of here! I want to get out. I want to get out. Corey!
잠시 뒤 코리가 모습을 드러냈고
Oh my god. Come on, let me out of this thing. What is this? I don't understand, man. I don't understand what you're doing to me. Yes, you do.
테일러는 살려달라며 애원하는데요.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean what I said to you. I didn't mean any of it. I'm your brother, Corey. Come on, man. What are you doing?
Can't both live like this anymore.
I looked up to you so much!
하지만 코리는 테일러의 눈앞에서 스스로 생을 마감합니다.
The pain is going to go away tonight.
곧이어 현장에 도착한 브레슬린.
My name is Detective Breslin. I'm afraid I have to ask you a few questions. Taylor, can you hear me?
You guys get these hooks out of him.
코리의 죽음이 어딘가 석연치 않다고 느끼죠.
How did he do that to himself? PCP?
Enough to kill a small mule. It's close as I've seen someone come to cutting out their own heart.
브레슬리는 크리스틴을 찾아가 코리에 대한 이야기를 나누는데요.
So, you found Corey.
He's dead.
Corey was a remarkable person.
You and Corey are from different worlds. How did two people like you and Corey meet?
We are the nothing. How can we not meet each other? So, did Taylor hurt?
Oh, yeah. He's really fucked up. Does that make you happy?
그녀는 브레슬린이 자신들을 이해하지 못한다고 말하죠.
You don't know the first thing about hurt.
I have 4 victims. I only have 2 horsemen.
I can save you a lot of time and energy right now. You're not going to catch pestilence. Ever.
그러면서 언젠가 백마를 탄 기사가 그를 찾아올 거라고 이야기합니다.
And the rider of the white horse? You don't find someone like that. Someone like that finds you.
그날 저녁 브레슬린은 알렉스와 함께 식사를 하게 되고
Dad, Sean, he's starting to ask a lot of questions, like why you're not around and things like that. And I can answer those, but he's gonna start asking about Mom.
지난번 다툰 일에 대해 사과하는데요.
I want you to know that I'm so sorry that you had to have that moment with your mom alone.
또한 그는 알렉스에게 자신의 속마음을 털어놓습니다.
The whole deal with your mom. It was hard on everybody. I'm coming back now, okay? This is me telling you that I am back. And after this case, it's all gonna be different. Promise.
잠시 뒤 브레슬리는 스팅레이와 함께 사건을 다시 되짚어보는데요.
Yeah, well, I guess we must have missed a couple of those crumbs. Because, Brez,
4 common C's, 1 in each direction. Mary Ann Spitz, 1, 2, 3, 4. Silva's apartment, 1, 2, 3, 4. Garrison Jacobs hotel room.
there's only 3.
그렇게 게리슨이 세 번째 희생자가 아닌 것을 깨닫게 되죠.
That's why the veil hasn't been lifted yet. Garrison Jacobs is not the third victim.
What was he?
게리슨은 역병을 상징하는 기사였고
Garrison Jacobs is pestilence.
집단의 신뢰를 저버린 대가로 처단당했던 겁니다.
Garrison Jacobs tricked us into punishing the innocent.
And you could afford to kill him because you didn't need pestilence like you needed the others. He just operated the computers. Goodbye, Kristen.
잠시 뒤 코리와 크리스틴의 공통점을 발견하는데요.
Find something?
They were both in group therapy.
Who are the doctors?
Annette Richardson. Annette Richardson.
심지어 이 모든 일이 크리스틴의 계획이었다는 사실까지 알게 되죠.
Brez, what's the matter?
Kristen has acted like she's known me ever since the day she turned herself in. That's because she does.
The teeth were placed on that pawn to guarantee that I would be assigned to the case.
브레슬리는 서둘러 밖으로 향하는데
They're after me and my family.
Favor, I want you to go to my house. I want you to take care of Alex.
알고 보니 알렉스 역시 같은 의사에게 상담을 받았던 겁니다.
When Karen died, Alex was in group therapy. Same doctor.
브레슬리는 알렉스가 학교에 등장하지 않았다는 사실을 확인한 뒤
I just need someone to tell me if he's in his classroom.
이후 집에 도착해보니 스팅레이는 이미 쓰러져 있었죠. 브레슬리는 집안에서 범인의 흔적을 찾기 시작하는데요. 집안을 둘러보던 중 알렉스의 방에 들어가게 됩니다. 그런데 그곳에서 알렉스가 백마탄 기사였다는 사실을 알게 되죠.
You don't find someone like that. Someone like that finds you.
Well, he does great when he's here. That's just not very often.
브레슬리는 곧바로 범인을 놓쳤던 장소로 향하는데요. 그런데 그 순간 잠시 뒤 낯선 장소에서 눈을 뜬 브레슬린.
Alex! Alex!
그의 눈앞에는 알렉스가 다른 피해자들처럼 매달려 있었는데요.
Alex, answer me!
Dad?
I'm gonna get you down! Hold on!
I'm supposed to drown. I'll bleed.
그리고 알렉스는 기사가 자신들만이 아니라 더 있다는 충격적인 사실을 말하죠.
This won't end with us. There is no 4 horsemen. There's millions of them.
또한 자신을 포함한 기사들 모두 공통점이 있다고 말합니다.
They're born into this f***ed up world by parents who are unwilling to even try to understand them. They're watching us right now. They're waiting for the last horseman to make the final sacrifice. My dad.
브레슬리는 알렉스가 조직의 리더라는 사실을 부정하는데요.
Alex, please tell me you didn't do these things.
Why? Because I'm your son.
그러나 알렉스는 가정을 버린 브레슬린을 끝없이 원망하죠.
You haven't been in my room in 3 years. All you had to do was go in my room.
I told you it would be different. It could still be different.
그러던 중 알렉스는 목숨이 위태로운 상황에 놓이는데요.
Alex.
그 모습을 본 브레슬리는 이성을 잃고 날뛰기 시작했고 결국 알렉스를 향해 총을 겨눌 수밖에 없었죠. 그렇게 브레슬리는 비로소 가족의 소중함을 깨닫습니다.
Open your eyes, look at me! You were right. After your mom died, I never came back. Never came back. I wasn't there for you and Sean. Please, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Give me a chance to be a father to you. We're gonna be all right. Whatever happens, I'm never gonna leave you again.
아들 션에게 더욱 충실한 아버지가 되겠다는 다짐을 남기며 영화는 마무리됩니다.
I'm here now.
Where's Alex?
Don't you worry about Alex. I love you, Sean.
I love you too, Daddy.
지금까지 영화 호스맨이었습니다. 끝까지 시청해주셔서 감사합니다.